Hi guys, today's video is going to be very interesting and awesome for you because in today's video we will tell you the 3 best street fight methods by using which you can make your defense very quickly because a lot of self-defense techniques don't work in a street fight. The reason for this is that in a street fight the fighter who fights up attack very fast, which is why a lot of techniques don't work. Compared to them, today we will tell you 3 best techniques which are very fast to apply. If someone starts slapping you on your face with speed, you have to remember one thing. Whenever you have a fight, you have to stand in such a way that your one leg ahead and one leg behind, as you can say standing in L stance. As soon as he slaps you in the face, you will immediately kick him in the weak point with your front leg. Again, see how to defend yourself. As soon as he slaps you, you have to immediately, with covering your face, kick him and hit him on the thigh with the second leg like this. Technique number 3, guys, if someone grabs your hand quickly and pulls you, you should immediately punch him in the nose, which is very weak point. The reason is that when he is pulling your hand, if so, you have to punch him on the nose using his strength, putting his weight on him because his balance is off at the point. Guys, now we will show you this technique in fast motion. Guys, hope you like these techniques. So to learn these techniques, need to know basic kicks and punches. We will also teach you basic self-defense and kicks and punches. So like the video, subscribe the channel. See you next more interesting videos. Thank you.